In this video, I am going to show you whether the YouTube TV free trial includes NFL Sunday Ticket. Unfortunately, NFL Sunday Ticket is not included in the standard YouTube TV free trial. While YouTube TV offers a variety of live sports and channels as part of its base package, NFL Sunday Ticket is a premium add-on that requires an additional subscription. However, during certain promotional periods, YouTube TV or Google may offer special deals where NFL Sunday Ticket is available at a discounted rate or included for new subscribers. To check if there's an active promotion, visit the YouTube TV website or app and look for details under the Sports or Add-ons section. Keep in mind that even if it's not included in the free trial, you can still subscribe to NFL Sunday Ticket separately through YouTube TV or other authorized providers. If this video helped clarify whether NFL Sunday Ticket is part of the free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.